In this lesson, I'm going to explain you how to create lists in Python. Yes, you can create a list in Python, and this is very easy. So here I have mentioned that lists contains comma separated objects enclosed in a square bracket. See, these are the two conditions of the list. First condition is whatever you are going to write here. Maybe sometimes we will write a string, sometimes we write integer or float. You have to put comma after each object. And the second condition is that all the objects are closed in the square bracket. So these two conditions satisfy the conditions of list. So here I have made brand underscore name is equal to square bracket mk comma coach comma guess comma Nike and so on. So these are the objects you can see, and these are separated by a comma, and these are enclosed in the square bracket. It means these are lists. These are considered a list. So how you want to get your output? Here I have mentioned print brand underscore names, and then type is a function. We have discussed very well type function in the last course. It gives us the data type. So brand underscore name. So see, it seems that its data type should be string, but this is not a string because these are enclosed in the square bracket and are separated by the comma. It means the type is list, and then it will print brand underscore names. So when I will run this code, so see brand underscore name, my first criteria is this: print brand underscore name and class list is a list. It's not a string, it's a list. If someone asks you why it is list, because these are separated by the comma and these are enclosed in the square bracket. And here is the second output, second option, MK coach Nike and so on. One more example, see here, instead of strings, in the first example I have set a string, but these are the integers. Test underscore marks is initialized by marks out of 100 suppose, and these are enclosed in the square bracket, are separated by the comma, so it means these are list, right? So 80, 56, 78, these are integers, right? But you know that integers we do not write in the quotation. So print test underscore marks type, again the type will come list, right? It seems that these are integers, but here these are enclosed in the square bracket. So when I will run this, you can see test underscore marks class is list, and this is the list, right? Here we have set strings, this is integers. Now is the mixed list. Mixed list means we can also write integers, float, strings in a one list. So this is the mixed list. When we will run this mixed list, you will see mixed list, again the class means type is list, and then these are the integers, this is the float, this is the string. Yes, you can write down integers, float and string in one enclosed square bracket. This is called the list. One more example, here variety underscore list, I have made this variable and is initialized by the integer. See here, I have written these integers, float and a string, and these two are variables which we have made in the previous example. Mixed underscore list you can write down, and it will print this list for you. Same thing for test underscore marks, these are the test underscore marks, it will print. So in the variety of list you can write down your own integers, your own float, your own string, as well as the variables. And the same print variety underscore list when I will run. So variety underscore list class is list, this is the list. One more time, list, always you have to put all the strings, all the integers in the square bracket, and these objects should be separated by the comma. So this is the list. So in this lesson you have learned how to create lists in Python. If any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.